Ever find dining out a challenge while on a weight loss journey? Fear not, my fellow health-conscious comrades, because today, we're diving headfirst into the delightful world of dining out, armed with strategies to make smart choices for your waistline. Imagine yourself as a food detective, scouring the menu for healthier options. Seek out dishes that are grilled, baked, or steamed rather than fried. Engage your server in your quest, asking for recommendations. The menu is your playground, so explore it with gusto. Now, whoever said you can't have your cake and eat it too? When ordering, don't hesitate to play the substitution game. Trade fries for a side salad, choose grilled chicken over fried, and request dressings and sauces on the side. With a sprinkle of creativity, any dish can morph into a nutritious delight. Remember, portion control is your secret weapon. Enjoy smaller servings of your favorite dishes and complement them with nutrient-rich options like veggies and lean proteins. And if that decadent dessert is calling your name, answer it. Just be mindful of portion sizes and consider sharing with a friend. Beware of sneaky ingredients lurking on the menu. Those dishes labeled creamy, crispy, or loaded are often hiding a calorie and fat overload. Instead, opt for dishes light on sauces and dressings, and don't hesitate to ask your server about ingredients and preparation methods. And lastly, don't deprive yourself of the occasional indulgence. Whether it's a juicy burger, a cheesy pizza, or a heavenly dessert, enjoy it guilt-free and savor every delicious bite. Just remember to balance indulgence with healthier choices throughout the rest of the meal. In conclusion, dining out doesn't have to be a threat to your weight loss journey. With a playful attitude and a few savvy strategies, you can confidently navigate any restaurant menu. Remember, you can enjoy the culinary adventure of dining out while staying on track with your weight loss goals. So go forth, make smart choices, and celebrate your small victories. After all, every smart choice you make is a step towards your ultimate goal.